You have probably seen a lot of people invest in Bitcoin, make a ton of money, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, also driving in their Bitcoin Lamborghinis, all of that stuff. And you're deciding, man, I want a Lamborghini too. I want thousands of dollars, but I want to start investing in Bitcoin first. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can buy some Bitcoin with Cash App. And at the end of this video, I will show you how you can get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. But first, let me show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. It is super easy. So the first thing that you will have to do is open up your Cash App. And then on the bottom row, you're going to see a squiggly line. So you are going to press on the squiggly line. It will bring you to this page. As you can see right now, one Bitcoin is worth $17,793. The awesome thing about Cash App is you can buy it with $1, $10, $100, or $1,000. And you'll be able to get some Bitcoin, which is absolutely awesome. Me personally, I am a long-term believer in Bitcoin, and I believe Bitcoin prices will continue to rise. So if you're watching this video 6 months from now or a year from now, drop a comment below and let me know what the current price of Bitcoin is. Alright, so the next step is press the buy button. This will bring you to this screen where you will have a choice. You can either buy with $1, $10, $20, $50, or $100. Or you can press those three dots and put in your amount. Let's say you want $500 worth of Bitcoin. Then you simply press that and you enter $500 worth of Bitcoin. But for this video, for this demonstration, we are going to buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. So we're going to press 20 and we are going to press next. And then it will bring us to this page. As you can see, we are buying $20 worth of Bitcoin. And we are going to get $19.55 worth of Bitcoin simply because Cash App charges a 45-cent fee to purchase $20 worth of Bitcoin. And then we are going to get 0.001099 of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to rise, we are going to make some money. And then all you have to do is press confirm. And then our purchase is confirmed. So we just purchased $20 worth of Bitcoin, which gave us 0.001099 worth of Bitcoin. And now we officially are investing in Bitcoin. We are officially Bitcoin owners. Alright, so you just saw how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Best of all, you can use your credit card, your debit card. You can link your bank account to your Cash App and you'll be able to purchase Bitcoin, which is absolutely amazing. Alright, so now since you made it this far into the video, I will show you how you can get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. I will have a link in the description box below. If you use that link and you create an account with BlockFi, you'll be able to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you make your first deposit of $100 or more. Best of all, with BlockFi, once you get your Bitcoin, you can also get Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. You can simply leave them in your BlockFi account and then you're going to grow your Bitcoin. Every single day you are going to earn interest on your Bitcoin. It is like having an investment account that every single day your Bitcoin will grow. And best of all, you're going to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. That is a super easy way to get Bitcoin. What I like to do personally is buy Bitcoin, send it over to BlockFi, and watch my Bitcoin grow. It is the perfect combination to start growing your Bitcoin and start making money investing in cryptocurrencies. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links in the description box below if you want to get some free Bitcoin. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.